What about the council? What about the Hellhound Council?
Okay.
Lil John! Hi, Fred. I wasn't muted. Freddy, we, the Hellhound Council, have returned! Freddy, it's okay. He's okay. I gotta change my model. He's actually like looking at it, growling at the Joshua model. That's so funny. That's so funny. Notice how he stopped barking. That's he's actually pissed off. Hi, Freddy. Oh, now you're approaching. Hello. Almost broke it. You cut it in half?